Start.
We, the Blessed team, have created an app that will be used to solve the problem in a particular community. And the name of this app is Community Database Indicator. When you go to the home page, you are going to see the location link, search institution, service, the product, and the news upload. When you click on the location selection link, you are going to see the search institution and the upload location. This search location and the upload location. Then when you click on this search location, you are going to see all the location in a particular community, their areas and their address. Then when you click on this upload location, you are going to see the recent place that you are in a particular community. Then if you want to go to a nearby community, you type the name of the community and it will show in this upload location. When you go back to the home page, you are going to see search institution. When you click on the search institution, you are going to see the church, the school, and the security. Then when you click on this church, it will show you the list of all the church in a particular community, their location, their address, and the phone number of the ministers. Then when you click on this school, you're going to see the list of all the school in a particular locality, their address and their phone numbers. Then when you click on the security, you're going to see all the policemen in a particular community, their phone number and the address. When you go back to the home page, you will click on the service. You will see when you click on the service, you will see the mechanics, the hotel, the hospital, park, and the cyclist. When you click on this mechanic, you are going to see all the mechanics in a particular locality, their phone number and their address. When you click on the hotel, you are going to see all the list of hotels in a particular locality, their phone numbers and the address. Then when you click on the hospital, you see the list of all the hospitals in a particular locality, their phone numbers and the address of the place. Then when you click on the park, you're going to see all the nearby park in a particular locality and their phone numbers. Then when you click on the cyclist, you're going to see all the cyclists in a particular community and their phone numbers. Then if you go back to the home page, you will click on the products. You will see all the commodities that is being sold in the particular community. You have the palm oil, rice, garri, and others. When you click on this palm oil, you see all those dealing on palm oil and their phone numbers. Then when you click on the rice, you will see all those dealing on rice and the phone numbers. Then when you click on the garri, you will see all those dealing on garri and their phone number. That is applicable to others. Then when you go back to the home page, you click on the news upload. You see all the recent happening in a particular community and the history. This recent happening will tell you all the common disease that the community suffered in a particular locality. Then when you click on this history, you will see all the tradition, their norms, their values, their custom, their mode of dressing, their languages, and how they behave in a particular community. Thank you.